Antivirussetupreviews online is participant to the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program and Affiliate Advertising Program, which is designed to provide an aid for the websites in earning an advertisement fees by means of advertising and linking to Amazon products. This website is an antivirus buyer's guide and not considered as advice. The information, ratings, trends, and reviews expressed on the site are the sole discretion of Antivirussetupreviews. Online, the website is strictly for research and informational purposes only. We do our best to keep all content up to date and accurate, but cannot guarantee it due to the constantly changing antivirus landscape. In order to keep this website free to consumers, we receive advertising revenue from some of the antivirus companies. Features: McAfee Total Protection IS all-in-one protection, antivirus, security, identity, and privacy protection for all your devices for 1 year. Secure VPN, stay private and secure on public Wi-Fi with VPN that can connect automatically when you need it. Parental controls help protect your kids from inappropriate online behavior, apps, and content, manage screen time, get location-based alerts, and guide them to build good digital habits. Monitor up to 10 emails on the dark web. If your info is found, we'll notify you so you can act before your info ends up in the wrong hands. Check the health of your online protection. Our industry-first protection score will identify weak spots and guide you to improve your security. Password Manager, secure your accounts by generating and storing complex passwords and autofilling your info for faster logins across devices. Award-winning antivirus, protect all your personal devices and the info on them from the latest threats. All-in-one online protection for your personal info and privacy, so you can enjoy your life online. We make online security simple so you can bank, shop, browse, and connect with confidence. Access robust tools like dark web monitoring and automated secure VPN from any device, and be greeted with a consistent experience that meets you where you are. McAfee Secure VPN is now automated and integrated in our online protection service, so there's no need to install a separate app, making it easier than ever for you to protect your personal info when away from home. By encrypting your internet traffic, you can keep your credit card and personal data safer from prying eyes. Whether you're paying bills, managing investments, or just exploring, Secure VPN helps you stay private. Your VPN can turn on automatically for public Wi-Fi, protecting account credentials, search habits, and more. We'll carry forward our promise as a trusted market leader to protect the personal data and devices of everyone in your household, whether they're tech power users, sporadic users, or somewhere in between. We care about your safety, privacy, and identity, and with over 600 million devices and the people behind them covered, we're leading the industry when it comes to keeping the world safer online. We'll handle the risk while you enjoy life online.